gentlemen, please come up on the stage. Class A, Section A for Manipuri, first Secretary Nishan, second Rahul, third British Raj. Next, I would like to call names Sabitri for Section B, Class A. Section B. You to get ready to distribute the prize for Hindi Class A. Third, Abrar Aziz for Hindi handwriting competition. I request Ms. Bellu to remain on the stage. Next for Section Eliza. Students, please get ready. Class A. Next, I would like to call upon Ben Joyshri to come on the stage to distribute the prize for second, Anika Thapa, third, Taslima. Students, get ready from Section B, Class A. Wasifa, Anika Thapa and Taslima.
Moving on with our today's program, I would like to announce the names of the best attendants. First of all,